Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Orlando local and long distance movers near me. Moving to or from Florida is a popular route, and with that comes the risk of moving scams. Orlando and other cities in Central Florida have been targeted by online or boiler room centers pretending to be cheap Orlando movers offering rock bottom prices for moves, and then not showing up or disappearing with your belongings once they are loaded on the truck. Don't trust a mover you can't see. Call 3 Movers for your long distance move to or from Orlando. Our cheap movers in Orlando will come to your home and provide you with an in person estimate based on our walkthrough and survey of what you need to move. We will give you a written quote and explain all the details. You won't have to worry about hidden fees or scams. If you are moving in the Orlando area, you may need professional help to get the job done right. 3 Movers is an excellent choice for your moving partner. We are experts in all sizes of moves. We can take care of an essential job or organize a full-service move, including packing, art crating, unpacking, organizing, and cleanup. We can provide the moving supplies and materials you need if you want to do the packing on your own, and we will expertly prepare your furniture and fragile items for the trip. Our cheap Orlando movers will also explain all the costs in a written estimate so that you won't have any surprises. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Orlando moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.